Hi, in this video I will show you one of the easiest IKEA build of the table. Things that you need: tabletop, 4 legs, Phillips screwdriver. I'm using Linnmon tabletop and Olov adjustable height leg, but the process is identical for other IKEA tabletops and legs. Before unpacking, place the tabletop upside down to protect it from scratches. If the plastic is already removed, put it on a soft surface like carpet. There are pre-drilled holes in each corner of the table for leg bases. Each legs come with the leg base, pack of screws and leg itself. Align the leg base with holes on the table. Put in 5 screws provided with the leg. To speed up the process, I'll use an electric screwdriver. Repeat the process for 3 remaining legs. After leg base is installed, screw in the legs. If you do the assembly on the floor, never step on the tabletop. It is hollow and might break easily. And that's how you assemble an IKEA table. Thanks for watching, hope you found it helpful.